Welcome back to today's session, guys. Now, how many of you have ever thought about using avocados in one of your favorite desserts? Ice cream. In today's session, I am going to share with you my recent recipe, how to make avocado, soursop, and banana ice cream. Now, ice creams don't need an introduction here in the Caribbean or pretty much anywhere else in the world. But what is amazing about ice creams nowadays is that our people in the Caribbean are using pretty much anything that we have on hand to make these delectable, mouth-watering, soothing desserts. And that's pretty much what I did. Using products and produce from my dad's garden, I've created this awesome creamy textured ice cream using ingredients that I pretty much had on hand, from whipping cream to condensed milk, vanilla essence, and of course my soursop, avocado, and bananas. Just simply cream everything together or puree in your blender or food processor, whatever kitchen equipment you have on hand. Just pretty much process everything until you get a nice, rich, creamy texture. Now, it's no secret that these three superfoods combined will make pretty much a health bomb from the avocados and the bananas that are high in potassium and are determined superfoods, and of course soursop, which has been known for treating and preventing cancer, as well as helping with any immune boosting and digestive related issues. Now, some people may be shying away from making their own ice creams at home because they do not have an ice cream maker. Now, this recipe is such an amazing recipe that you can create your own ice creams at home without an ice cream maker. But if you want the soft texture that having an ice cream maker would bring, then it's advisable to purchase one. So now that you've pureed your fruits, just simply whip the whipping cream. I used 1 cup of whipping cream, and this gave me enough volume to fold in my textured fruits. Now, when you're whipping your whipping cream, do so on a high speed using a cake mixer and only whip for about 3 minutes. We don't want the cream to start curdling. So when you see the cream starting to form stiff peaks, that means you should stop whipping. Now it's time to whisk in your condensed milk with the whipping cream. I used 1 tin, and that was sufficient for the amount of fruits that I had. And you just do this for about another 3 minutes. By the way, guys, if you're interested in making your own avocado, soursop, and banana ice cream at home, I've included the recipe down below in the description for you. Knock yourself out and enjoy. So our cream mixture is all set and ready to absorb the pureed fruits. You're not whisking here, you're simply gently folding in the fruit mixture with the cream mixture gently. Now, I have opted not to include any other sugars apart from the naturally sweet fruits that we have, but you have the option of doing so. And now that everything is folded in perfectly, it's all set to go into the freezer. And after 1 hour, just simply use your cake mixer and just give it another whisk, and you do this every hour for 4 hours until the ice cream freezes up But obviously, if you have an ice cream maker, it erases all this work. And now your ice cream is ready to serve and enjoy. Let us know in the comments, is this a recipe that you're willing to try? Thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to like and subscribe. See you on Monday.